evaluate the integral as limit of sum, as limit of sum. Evaluate the integral as limit of sum. This problem is given in the interval 1 to 3, then 2x plus 3 into dx. Then interval is 1 to 3, and then function is 2x plus 3 into dx. Now here we are writing here, let fx is equal to what? 2 plus x, 2x plus 3, and we are considering here a equal to 1, b equal to, that is 3, then interval a b 3, and nh equal to b minus, nh equal to b minus a. B minus a means what? nh equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Now, so therefore, integration 1 to 3, it is given 2x plus 3 into dx. Now we are expressing the function as the limit of sum. So how? We know limit h tends to limit 1 to 3, 1 to 3, oh sorry, we have written, then limit h tends to 0, then the function, it is 1 plus h, it is 1 a plus 1, that is equal to h, then f1, thereafter f1 plus h, thereafter f1 plus 2h, and thereafter is equal to f into, this is equal to what? f1 plus n minus 1 into h, n minus 1 into h, 1 into h, and this equal to, we are writing this equal to this. Now what we can write here? Limit, we have got h tends to 0, then h, then what is this? f1. What is f1? f1 equal to f1 plus h, then f1 will get 5, f1 equal to, that is equal to h, and f1 equal to 5, 1 plus h, then 5 plus, then 1 plus h, will get 1, then h equal to 2 and h. So we will get, what will get? 5 plus, that is 5 plus 2h, 5 plus 2h, thereafter 5 plus 4h, thereafter 5 plus f1 plus 1, f2 plus h is this,